I just heard like robot noises. Like the Animal Company fishing update is here, and it's more bright. What is that? So you have to get a rod. Being toys. Nah. Rod. I don't know. Let's just go check over here. There's a free rod that I could just get off and then it's like around over here. Which is Huh, probably here. Bamboo fishing rod. I'll take one of them. How do you take it? Oh, there. Oh, look at that. Just wait until we catch a fish. Fish. What is this? I guess tank. Oh. Huh? Guess I gotta sit and wait. Why is there no reel? Like to reel in? How do you reel it in? How do you reel the goddamn fish in? What? Oh, I think you have to hold it in. Do you have to hold the button in? What? 3,000 fish. What? Who's gonna catch 3,000 fish? Okay. So I think you hold it. Like this, yeah. So you hold it. Like that. Then you gotta wait until you catch fish. Yeah! I caught a bony fish. It's kind of stinky. Do you put it in here?
That's a big fish.
There's just swimming about in there. No! Wait, what happens if you go in there? Is there any fish? No. This is like kind of like Yeeps. Like Yeeps hide and seek. But it's actually really cool. Whoa, this is destroyed for the fish. Oh. Okay. What wait, you can just hold it in place. Come on. Oh, of course I got. What is that? A boot? You got a boot?
That's a big fish.
And 3,000. Is there bait you could get? I guess this one's kinda rare. Oh god. So it goes up in it goes up in twos, like the percentage. Which is quite good, so it doesn't just go up in one. Because that would be a thing. Yes! Yeah, I actually caught a fish. Oh, yeah, look at this. You can eat them. Okay.
I'm gonna say
Is it just me, or what the hell did he just say? 1 cent. What? Why is it so? I get enough fish in here. Can I put that on my back? Okay. Yeah, I can put it on my back. Now let's go grab a flashlight and we should maybe go in there. Because there's like a leaked trailer. Really go in and there's a shark and stuff. Oh, what the hell is the tree falling? Can you literally get under the tree? You can get in the tree. Alright, so let's go. Let's go to that new shop which is here. Let's grab. What's that? Oh, I have that speaker that someone gave it to me. Okay. Wait, okay. Because we have this. Is there a bucket? Is that a bucket? No. Okay. I could add a bucket. Okay, let's go. I'll keep my revolver just this. Because. Yeah. Just in case. Well, maybe I should have had a bag so then I could. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna get someone because I did not like the dog or the boy. So, fun with this, but not in a very, very bad cave. Can these go in your head? No. What if we bring a mega flashlight and a bag? Okay, do these go in bags? They do. Don't ask why I have a little. Is that the wrong way? I think it is. Yes, I guess. We're just going to grab someone so then we can do it. Okay, we are waiting on an elephant to join. So let's just wait until he's here. Yes! Is that him? Yeah, he's over there. Okay, hello, sir. Yeah. It's kind of like SpongeBob, isn't it? I've got a fishing rod. Where is it? Wait. Okay, right, let's go. So, you're gonna need some loot first. Have you fished before? Wait, is there monsters in there? Because I don't really know. What type of monsters? Like big, scary, hairy monsters? Oh, Megalodon sharks? Is there sharks? Does it have the biggest fear of sharks? Oh crap. Yeah, I know we're going in there. I went to do that. Then I was gonna go grab someone for a video. I was already recording. I caught a few fish. Bro, we need a fishing rod. Come on. Give me a fishing rod. Give me... I have to wait 22 seconds to buy a fishing rod. Come on, buy a fishing rod. I've got to wait 10 seconds. You have to just grab that. Just grab it. Like this, bro. Like, grab it. Yeah, like that, yeah. Okay, now just put it. Okay, yeah, just come on. You don't need to put it in your bag because it's that For me, it despawned when I put it in my bag, then tried to pull it back out. Is there sharks in here? Is that a yes or no? Is that a chicken nugget? Oh, I already don't like this. What do you have to do? I hate this so much. Didn't really work. I'm gonna try and fish. Bro, fish. Oh yeah, you're fishing. This is a really cool update, isn't it? Oh, I found some stuff. Oh. This takes ages. Yes, yes. What's this? Oh. I got this thing. Guess I'll put it in my bag. Should we maybe go into the shark thing? Is that a shark? Like... Is it a robotic shark? I hate that, like, so much. Hopefully I can catch something better than your... Oh, crap. What's in the water? In this water, is there anything? Like the little sharks? Wow. What does it mean by if you're hungry, it's hungry? I'm scared. You know, you can just hold it in. Like, on the place. You don't have to keep tapping it. I told you, you could just hold it in. Like this, look, I'm not spamming it. This one better be good. Hey! What the hell was that for? I made you sad? You don't like me? Oh, that blinded you. But I was about to catch an amazing fish. Oh, oh. This one better be good because I've only ever caught one fish. No, two. And one of them was made out of bone. And it was smelly. So I don't think that's good. Staring at a building. Why are the eyes on the big shark like that? Look at this, bro! What the hell? I don't even need that then. Can it go on my head? Oh, what the fuck? Let's go in. I'm in a shark right now. Okay, I'm putting this in my bag. Yo, this is crazy. Does that move? That's disgusting. Come on. I believe in me. Not you. What's that? Is that the chompy things you were talking about? Oh. You do not want to mess with these things. I should have kept my ammo. What are you actually doing? Come on. We gotta be really careful. Yo, this is just like the trailer. Oh crap! Indiana Jones! Ah, I'm okay. Okay. Don't do that to an animal. Flip off that. That's really mean to me. Maybe I can fish in there. Where are you? No. Where are you? Bro? I need to know. Oh, you're back. You're back though. Bro, where? Where? What are you? Bro, where the hell are you? Oh, you're there. Where are you? Wow, that's cool. This is just like that trailer thing, you know? Wait. Oops, that was so bad. Can we fish in here? Where did you find the banana? Oh, you can fish in here. I got cola. Can you put it on the end of your rods with bait? Oh, okay. Hooked. And it's hooked. But you know you can just hold it in. How are people supposed to do this? Ah, I kinda missed it. We need a better rod. Is this shark made of metal? Come on, come back to me! Where are you going? Oh, okay. Come in with my mate or skills. I just have to not fight fish. Wait, I'm gonna fight fish. I'm currently catching a fish, so I'll be like, God knows how long, because how bad I am. But like, you know, it won't be too long. Yay! Of course I got a bloody boot. Wait, where are you? I'm coming, bro. Okay. I don't even need my grappler, so I'm so cool. What? I didn't fall. This is insane. The amount of work put into this map is crazy. What the hell? Are we cooked? Tell me now, are we cooked? I almost landed in the water. I feel, what the? Why is there two hearts? I also hate organ. Do we have to shoot them? Lucky for me, I have no ammo in my gun. Aha! What do these big pumping hearts do? Oh, I hate. Would you have your swords? Oh, why is it chasing us? Huh? Help me! Help me! No! Crap, I had good fish. Good, just this one. Yeah. My fish were so good! Okay. Bring, like, so much revolvers. What do you need? Revolvers. I'm not even gonna lie, don't even mind the fish. Or should we bring a fishing rod just in case? Wait. Let me group these two together. Okay. And then another one. There. Wait, bro. Bro, wait. Here. And then this. To there. Okay. Are you ready, bro? I wish you could just buy fishing rods from right over there. Wait, the lake is back to normal. Can you fish in it? Seems like you can. Focus on the fish. Come on. Oh, there's no point. Alright, that was the end of today's video. If you would like to see any more videos, subscribe and comment which other videos you would like. And here are my last 5 subscribers. And if you'd like to be on that list, like and subscribe. Bye.